Hey guys, this is Orthodox. Today I want to talk about what we call piston slap. Now, what is piston slap? Piston slap is the process by which the piston hits the sides of the cylinder. Can you listen? This is the process by which the piston, the size of the piston hits the walls of the cylinder, and it is mostly caused by overheating. Now, when the engine heats up, the pistons expand, and when the engine overheats, the piston it over expands, which causes these things. You can see the mark by the side of the piston. It is very obvious, which is not in the other side, because this engine once did overheating, and the owner didn't mention that, but he later mentioned it when we asked him. So the overheating caused this thing, which decreased the size of the piston, and it caused the piston to slap the wall of the cylinder, which make noise. Come to something, you can see that once I put the piston, it goes down more faster than the other ones. See, it just goes down, straight down, because the clearance between the piston and the cylinder wall is very much than before. After the engine did the whiting, see the rest. This one can still stay in the middle, which this one cannot do the same thing because of the piston slap of this particular issue. Many things have been changed. Even the camshaft was changed, the main bearings and other piston bearings was changed, but the noise didn't stop. It reduced actually, but when we later lose the engine, we asked the owner, the engine overheat is not recently or something, but it later confessed, but it not confessed quickly actually. So this piston slap caused the noise, and we are going to change it. We are changing the piston, we are changing the main bearings again and the other piston bearings, and that is what I said I should share the experience with you today. Thank you.